Rightline Gear's truck bed air mattress is a great way to turn your truck's bed into an actual bed, and here's how it works. So first of all, you have your PVC air mattress here. It's made of a heavy-duty PVC material that's going to be resistant to punctures from sticks and rocks, and it has a flocked top surface to make it softer so you can sleep better as a result of that. This is designed to go in between your bed's wheel wells on both sides, as you can see, and the front and rear areas behind the wheel wells can be a great place for storage. Now, aside from this, the kit also comes included with a 12-volt pump, and this plugs directly into your vehicle's 12-volt outlet inside the cab, and it pumps up in just a matter of seconds. It's super quick and super easy to do. And it also comes with a patch kit. Should anything ever happen to that PVC and it become punctured, you can patch it right up on the fly. Now also you have these nozzles. The nozzles, of course, are going to help you to pump up the air mattress. The larger nozzle will help do that. You have two other nozzles as well included that you can use for whatever else you see fit. And also, when you're ready to store this, at the end of the day, you have your Rightline Gear stuff sack for all of your storage needs. This is rated for 2 adults, so it should sleep 2 comfortably, and it has a 1-year manufacturer warranty for manufacturer defects.